number of Bitcoin ATM in the US rose 177% over the past year. Yeah, based on the need of the crypto. And this article just shows us how the ATM Bitcoin just like last time I and Mr. Nicola chose to try the transaction with the ATM Bitcoin in Singapore. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Joining the Bitcoin ATM machine now is look like the Wild West, but we some of the friends asking us, oh, how can we put the ATM machine on the street like the ATM? Yeah, you can, but you need a lot of license to do that. Without the license, you can put in your store. Yeah, but based on the financial regulation, you need the license to put your financial machine to the public. Yeah, that's one of the things we need to overcome, because making the price of the ATM machine is cost around 1,000 or 2,000. It's really it's really cheap price, good price if you place the order from Alibaba. Last time we also have a look on it.
Yeah, each machine is about $1,000 over or something.
Yeah, that's right.
So imagine in US they put 7,000, 9,000 machine. In Singapore, I don't think we need so many. So,
yeah.
In Singapore, maybe we just need 100 machine.
In US, nearly 10,000 ATM machine in US now.
Yeah, nearly 10,000 machine all across USA.
Yeah, I think March 1st, 2020. Yeah, that's figure show us how the crypto rising, because the need of crypto when there's inflation, when the US government stimulus the money out. Yeah, that's right. Okay, this article I want to share you about the why Bitcoin. Yes, last week, yeah, Bitcoin price fall down, but when it hit the level 48,000, and the question why it not drop below the 48,000, the answer is, Mr. Nicholas, you guess what the answer why the price of crypto not drop below 48,000? What's your suggestion why? Just share your own idea. Yeah.
I don't think any of the whales are willing to see the price go below 48,000. Yeah. So that, and of course, there will be new entries in the market every now and then. So they do not want to make it too high as well at the same time, because these people need to come in. So once these new investors come in, of course, if they're going to allow it to slip to below 48,000, then you have a problem. You have people exiting the market, Yeah.
Yeah,
So what is the reason that they give us?
Your answer is quite nice. You say that because of the whale don't want the price to go down. Yes, that's correct. But now the whale is institutional investor. It's look like the big company is they like the bigger strategy, like the other investment firm. They can float the price. If it's go up, it's all right, but they set the level when the price will fall down below 48,000. The system automatically buy all. Like you will see here, this chart show us the buying level of the institutional investor. Yes, and they earn is so far 48,000 appear to be attractive purchase price based on the price 56,000. Investors are seeking return around 16% of the return.
Yeah, I remember I told you I set the purchase at 48,000 and I got it.
That's
And
right.
after that, it just keep hanging between 47, 48, 49, 50, then down to 48 plus. Just keep
Yeah,
hanging around there. Then I think yesterday morning, it went up to 55 and then it come out again.
that's right. Uh, in the chart, we may see at the below 48, around 48,000, the buy volume is really high here. Yeah, that's why the blockchain data analytics they share information to us, and let's see that. And maybe in the next level, the target will be higher. Not only not 48,000 now, is will going up to the 58 or some the other level. In this early morning, the price is reached 57,000.
Oh, 56 already now.
Yeah,
57.
now it's 56,200. Yeah, you can see the price here.
Yeah.
While the other crypto is still dropping 3%, with Ethereum this day is still 1,800. Yeah. Come back. Some people asking us why the price of Ethereum is still not jumping high. Yes, the Ethereum is going to the Ethereum 2.0, and this day we tried some transaction. The fee is quite high. If you send $10, you need to pay around $13 as a fee. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's ridiculous. Yeah, yeah. So funny.
I sent some coins the other day. Wow, it cost me $11, $12.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and then uh, Vitalik Buterin is also shared to us about his protocol to decrease the fee uh, within a few weeks, and the price surely may hit. Yeah, the price may hit around 3,000. Yeah, let's see how the Vitalik team can do it.
Yeah, so I decided to sell it at 1,008 yesterday.
Oh, really? Yeah, yeah. It's up
Just
to
for fun.
you. Yeah. So, with me, I said it's last time I see the price hit 2000
Yeah,
zero.
I set it at 2,000, but then I was thinking, they take so long, so I just sell it at 1,008. Maybe after I sell tomorrow,
Oh,
yeah, now it gone down to 1,007 plus. So I'm just afraid after I sold it at 1,008, they might
oh,
just put to 2,000 plus.
yeah. But I have said it's 2,100. But when the price nearly 2,100 is dropped. Yeah, it's so funny that it's so funny.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I look at the chart, the candle chart.
Yeah,
I don't feel that it's that optimistic for it to go to 2,000 that early. Yeah, because there are still some adjustment in Bitcoin prices, and I don't think they are. If you notice their chart, it looks
yeah,
a little similar like how Bitcoin is moving right now
yeah. That's right.
compared to 2 months ago. Yeah, so of course the elements or the factors affecting Bitcoin price is slightly different from this ETH, but still there's a little bit of similarities there in
Yeah,
terms of how the shape of the curve. Yeah, so Bitcoin being 55,000 now, which is what I sold yesterday.
yeah. You may see the chart on up
Seven.
Ethereum here.
Yeah,
It's
sorry.
there's a chunk of Ethereum here on my share screen. Yeah, it's hit the $2,030 on the 20th February.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I think it'll take a little take some more time before it actually reach 2000 again.
yeah,
Yeah, because I don't know. As long as Bitcoin doesn't cross 60,000, I don't think this Ethereum will be able to hit
yeah.
2000
That's
that soon.
F.
Yeah, even if Bitcoin hits 60,000 again, or even go to 65 or 70,000,
Yeah,
probably by 65 or 70,000, then would Ethereum probably hit 2000 again or something. That's what I'm expecting.
yeah,
Don't take my word for it. Do your
yeah,
own study, or your listener, or our listeners.
yeah,
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 this is what I'm expecting it to happen. Yeah, so my personal view. Yeah.
yeah. Is it the big? Is the same? Is it the big as 20 February? Yeah, Ethereum also hit the big as 20
Yeah.
February. Bitcoin at the peak at 58,000 and now it's at 56,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still within a month and this time is the buying time for the new
Well, let's
investor.
wait for it to come down a little bit, then I can buy again.
There are some of the that mean it's a fighting between the bull and bear.
Yeah.
Yeah, between the bull and bear and some of the trader they do long and short. Uh, as in my own opinion, today is 11. Next around 10 days. That's a different thing will be happen.
Okay.
Yeah,
You mentioned something about next 10 days.
yeah,
So
next
is there
day.
something big that is going to happen in the next 10 days?
Yeah, yeah, maybe because if we want to see the history may repeat again after 1 week, the history may next 10 days. You may see this. This is 21st of February, right? It's
You have
May.
to you have to scroll out of the yeah. So that happens in what 20? Where's the date of this thing? I
25th,
can't see the date.
21st, 21st of February. Today
Okay,
is 11, right?
20th, 21st of February, something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, that's right.
Uh,
The
I, I,
21st.
I don't think it's going to like do a monthly thing like what happened to women.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
you know, yeah.
yeah. I when
Hopefully, sorry, hopefully you'll just dip down a little bit and at least let me buy something a little. Then they can go up.
yeah, yeah, that's right. So it's all right because if the price up and down and up is normal as usual, and the 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 best thing for some of the investor for some of the trader, we need to know what we use the coin for. Some this morning I do the research because some of my friends asking, oh, you keep a look on this coin and that coin. And when I search on the coin market cap, there's so many information for us. Like we not only the not only the information of the coin, we also see some of the news, some of the market, the low and high of the crypto of this.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's example. For example, like Elon Musk, says Dogecoin. So when I go to see the Dogecoin, I, I I I also found some of the nice articles, nice things shared to us about this this very basic traditional coin. they also released the tax exchange of the Dogecoin too.
Teleport. What do they mean by Litecoin is the next coin to teleport like Dogecoin?
Yeah, that's some article on the news BTC. If you want to have a look, it's
Doggy coin.
yeah,
Maybe pronounce as doggy coin.
yeah.
Doggy
The
coin.
Dogecoin. This also have some of the history of the Dogecoin when it's released and what's happened is now. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course, the the team is keeping the coin for long term, and then however there are 20 wallets keep more than 50% of the total of the coin. Yeah, and
What is the price of Litecoin now?
the
Let me check.
Litecoin is around 100 plus. It's
100.
around 100 plus. With the Dogecoin is around 5 cents, 3
Ah,
cents.
wow, wow. The doggy coin is so low.
Yeah, so low. Yeah, so low. Yeah, it's it. And it's hit a big within 24 hours. 55 is around nearly 6 cents. 6 cents. Yeah. And from the context they also have one article about the dogs the one of the this coin is shown to us here with the lines with wait hold on here decentralized chain lines those coin swap. Yeah, when I try to go this, I install the application. I see it's quite so simple and it's nice. You can use the Dogecoin to trade with the other cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's also the nice improvement. It's a decentralized application for it. It's very simple. You go to this. Let me show you. It's like the ultimate swap. Wait, let's see exchange over
Atomic
the
swap. What is
ultimate
atomic
swap.
swap? Interesting.
It's look like exchange. It's because exchange. Let me show this.
Okay, there. Also, they are doing centralized exchange.
Yeah, that's this one.
Rather they go, they are being traded.
Yeah, yeah. This website look nice.
So many
And
documents, so it's confirmed they are
yeah,
hot dog.
yeah. That's they have made the hype. The hype where they
For all
want
those you are
to.
wondering why, I don't know, because I've read about this coin, but I never really uh,
Yeah,
uh, actually go and read articles about this particular coin.
yeah,
So,
yeah. Yeah. That's so funny of this the name of the cryptocurrency. Yeah.
yeah.
We also, by the way, here we let me share with you. We have this one, the Xeonbit coin and Xeonbit token. Yeah, we also
We are laughing at why you say my price low, that you are also very low.
yeah yeah. Actually, on the price on the Uniswap is much better. Yeah.
Oh, it's much better now. It's like
Yes,
so much better.
because
Looking forward, looking forward to more decimal place.
yeah, because some people if they says oh why I can buy the crypto by Xeonbit token you can go to Uniswap here where's with the MetaMask wallet you can buy use Ethereum and you select token Xeonbit token and then you can buy yeah here with the one ETH, you can buy 171,000. It's nearly 172,000 SNS. Yeah. This is the price, current price around 1 cent. SSC is 1 cent. And when you can check is the circulation, we see the circulation is increasing with analytics here. If you don't know, you can just search for the bear analytics. They said warning about this. Yeah, this look like the liquidity is around 50 ETH is around 186,000 US. Liquidity in the exchange. Yeah, that is all the activity to trace on here. And okay.
You're talking about Uniswap, the
Yeah.
unicorn, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So did you buy any unicorn?
Yeah, of course, we have some up unicorn because we see this one of the top tech exchange nowadays based on the coin market cap.
Because you mentioned that it is one of the better good exchange around. So I went to look at the price. It was like moving between 28 to 36, $34. I mean, it just reached 34, 35 a couple of days ago. Let me scroll down to look at the date.
Yeah, if you want more challenge, you can try with this coin MDX. MDX.
Yeah. So at the moment, at NDX, no, let me finish with this
Yeah.
unicorn thing. So what I did yesterday is I set it at $20, $27, and tried to buy some.
How can?
So,
Because
yesterday it was like what? Yesterday it was $34, $35, something like
yeah,
that.
that's right.
So now it's gone down to $30. Maybe it'll come down another $3. Then I buy a little bit and keep and see how.
Now it's $30.60.
Yeah. So now just now you mentioned some another coin. What is it?
Yeah, because this one, the Uniswap is one of the traditional coins based on Ethereum, and this one is a cake and DEX. Some of this coin is a new version of the DEX too. The Pancake Swap is a cake coin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's based on the Binance Smart Chains.
Yeah.
Burger swaps, sushi swaps.
So this one is easy. You just buy a little bit and keep and see how.
Yeah, that's one. With the pancakes, the price is around, I forgot the price. It's $12. The pancake, the cake coins, pancake, the cake coin.
Pancake.
Yeah, the cake. Yeah.
Yeah, pancake swap.
Yeah.
So what is this pancake swap?
It's the exchange. The exchange is looking nice.
It is also an exchange. Yeah.
Yeah. This.
People giving funny names to their exchange.
Yeah. And now
they call themselves dog, and now they call themselves pancake.
Yeah. The sushi burger. So you also may hear the sushi burger. Let me say thanks to our audience join our live stream today. Just now there's some comment on the live stream.
Yeah, I think there need to be someone who come up with cheesecake swap, you know.
Yeah. I guess.
I think cheesecake sounds nicer.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let me say thanks. Hello, Mr. Kang. Hello, Miss Fong. Hello, Mr. Kim Cần. Hello, Miss Hằng Chơi. Yeah.
You have a fan blowing at you, bro.
Yeah, that's why some of the audience also ask us. There's a fans.
I
There's
can
a
hear like typhoon, tornado.
typhoon. Okay. So now let's.
Or maybe the tsunami is coming in, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Không biết sao không có vô được người này.
Yeah. Okay.
What was that sound that someone was talking?
Yeah. Okay. Let me.
Kênh yêu cầu em nói là vô chat được mà giờ không ra nó không ra.
Yeah. Để kiểm tra. There's some issue with some of the audience. They says why it's hard for them to discuss. It's hard for them to share this. Okay.
All right. Thank you all for joining us while Richard is trying to solve some issues.
Yeah. Okay. So it's now it's done.
From YouTube and a few other places.
Yeah. Okay. Let me continue with the discussion. Just now, we not only live on YouTube, also on the Twitter.
Twitter.
The 3 weeks and the live. You also can find us on the other channel. It's really funny because we hear one of the discussion, one of the audience says, "Is the coin dead?" It means the coin in. Let me go to
what? They asked what?
Is the coin dead? Coin. Xeonbit coin, yeah. From the Reddit.
Wait.
Yeah. Here's
Is the coin bad? What? I don't know. What is it?
Here's you can see is this some of the boss from one of the people 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, he says he asks let me share the link down here. This link down here, and I hope you can give us a comment on this and share to our audience as well.
Oh, is the coin dead?
Yeah.
No, of course it's not dead. It's still alive. Very much alive.
Yeah, it's look like some of the dog coin, some of the other coin is keep for a long time, and of course we some of the others also replies. You can discover more on the other channel, and also some little he after he bought it and he says no reply on the board, something like that. Yeah, of course there's less activity on the Reddit. So mostly we discuss, we share the topics.
Join the YouTube channel, join the Twitter, and
yeah, that's right. It's up to some of the audience. They don't rely on some more channel. We also have something on the Bitcoin Talk and on the Binance forum too.
Now that you mentioned Bitcoin Talk, there's something I have not heard in a long time.
Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah,
I have not logged into Bitcoin Talk in a long time as well.
Yeah, that's right. Because on the Bitcoin Talk is one of the famous long time forum share information about cryptocurrency, and nowadays when the new thing come out and with the platform it look nicer, and they nearly forget the Bitcoin Talk.
Yeah. So they are just for those of you listening. For crypto projects to manage a crypto projects, there's just so many things that you need to look into, and this is one of them. And yeah, so of course, some people are expecting you to be here and everywhere and nowhere, But the thing is that we are all human, so we are just trying our best to do what we need to do and what we can do. So doing live like this, live streaming like this, it does help us and help you to actually get connected as well. So the most important thing is that you know that we are here.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So we are not just some
when the people
hiding behind a computer screen.
Yeah, that's right. We also can see the top 10 of the coin now is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, Canada, Polkadot, Ripple.
XRP.
Yeah.
So recently read something about XRP. Yeah. So what 5 cents now? 50 cents now.
50 cents, yeah. Because SRR is in the issue with the cost something and the price drop, and now it's recovered. Last time it's around 30 cents, now it's come back to 45 cents.
XRP is not found in Binance, right?
No. SRP different. Is more centralized.
It's more like centralized, so you can't actually find it on exchange like Binance.com.
Yeah, that's right, of course. And you also.
Otherwise, I would have. Hey, wait, there is.
Is what?
I'm now at Binance Exchange. It says the XRP.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's in the top 10. You can rely on this.
So their price is moving low now. So we should just buy.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
It's 50 cents, right?
It's up to you. If you have some if you have some fund, some spare money, you can invest in any cryptocurrency. Yeah. And then we can discover more of the article, more of the project. Yeah. So, last time we find some of the news, find some of the article, and this day we see the rise of the NFT token, the rise of the DEX. And here's the NFT token. You see this the twins billionaire in crypto. They are one of the top people hold the largest amount in Bitcoin. Yeah, and now they invest in the platform Mercury, the NFT platform. It's a Nifty gateway. It's also when I discover the Nifty gateway this is a place for people who want to buy the NFT token here. Yeah, a lot of website they sell NFT token. They sell it. They earn like this article about NFT resolution. That's mean here. If you bought the NBA Top Shot NFT, what do you actually own? Yeah, a lot of people, a lot of crypto owner, they ask what's NFT token? If you have the NFT token, what will you do? Yeah. And in this article said to us that actually you have the outright to keep the token, but you cannot edit or change the image of the token.
Yeah, NFT has been pretty popular with, or rather, it has been quite common among sports, especially NBA basketballs.
Yeah,
So remember Steph, the best 3-point shooter in NBA, Stephen Curry, or Stephen Curry, you call him. Yeah, as you pronounce. Yeah, so that Crypto Kitty was like, I know about Crypto Kitty because of him, because I was watching basketball pretty often, like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. So they have some news talking about him having some Crypto Kitty and some cryptocurrency, blockchain, whatever. Yeah. So recently, I think was it Dallas Mavericks or which team, I cannot remember. So they are quite on with these NFTs as well. So of course, I believe the whole organization of NBA as a whole, they if I'm not wrong, this bald guy, he is the commissioner of NBA.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So
And the commissioner,
what's his name? Adam Silver or something? Can you scroll up?
Adam Silver. Yeah, that's right. Adam
Yeah,
Silver.
Adam Silver, right? Yeah. So yeah, see, Adam, you are famous.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I believe that they are using adopting blockchain in terms of how they sell, probably in terms of how they're going to sell tickets in future. But at the current moment, they are using blockchain to reward their fans. Yeah, I think so. If I'm not wrong, some European country, they have their soccer league doing the similar thing as well. Yeah.
yeah,
So all these sports people, sports organization, and they are getting on track with cryptocurrency, and typically, more importantly, they are getting on with blockchain, and they are rewarding their users or their fans with crypto related gifts. Yeah. So that's what I remember reading about them. Uh, so maybe back to you with this article.
okay. Some of the article I found today is about the, just now we discussed about the decentralized chains and centralized chains, and now I think this article may be the latest article for our live stream today. This article said to us what's set for the next on next. This one is I got from CoinMarketCap article. This is mean with the tax and the sex CEX. It's really hard to pronounce with the decentralized chain and centralized chains. And
Well,
yeah.
I think DEX and sex are a great thing.
Yeah. Okay. And with some, a lot of people, a lot of investors, they really like to choose on the centralized chains nowadays. Sex S is X, yeah, but that is not your key. Some of the CCs he also told us, not your key, not your money. It means you don't keep your key. It's not your money. You put all your money on the centralized chains. The money is your, that's money. It looks like the bank keep your money, not you keep the money.
Yeah.
Unless you
Kind of back to the
yeah,
old days, right?
yeah, that's right. Because a lot of things happened in the past when the exchange has some issue, as that server is down or something happened. You cannot do the trading. Yeah, you also cannot access your crypto asset. Yeah, that's why Binance also have the Trust Wallet. You can trade directly there, or some the Binance.org. You can trade directly without without deposit your coin to it. Yeah, and on the CoinMarketCap, recently we shared to all of you about all the decentralized chains you see here. Yeah, for it's the top 10 here is really quite new to you, but I think when I go to this MDEX I discover it look like the decentralized chains falling off from the Huobi. Huobi is one of the largest exchange
Hobby,
in
yeah, hobby.
Huobi. Yeah, it means crypto in Chinese, right? Huobi.
Hobby, I think it's called
Huobi.
hobby. It means
Yeah,
it's
crypto.
hot coin.
Hardcoin. Oh,
Well,
oh,
okay, in China, they when they say "hua," it means it's popular. If something gets very popular in the, let's say for example, this swap at one time was very popular among crypto people, so they say, "Oh, this thing is very hua," yeah,
yeah,
it's very
yeah.
hot. Yeah.
Hot. It's very hot. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's this this exchange. They totally different. They use different blockchains. They have their own blockchain and they learning on this. I think I will let you have a look on this. Yeah, it's like this. But when I go to see about the swap and trade mining, it's all the same. It means the same pattern with the other chains. But when we connect the wallet, you need to connect the wallet with the Huobi blockchains, not Ethereum blockchain, not Binance Smart Chains. It's also nice and fun. You can have a look, and we see it's got the largest trading volume nowadays. Yeah, I also don't know. Maybe that's a robot trading or something. Yeah, maybe. Uh, that's why it's had the last volume daily around volume 24 is nearly 2 billion trading volume. Yeah, but it has only 62 market, 62 spare. But with the Uniswap is one of the largest one, is 1,442 pair.
Right.
Market share
That's,
is
that's,
19%.
that's
Yeah,
awesome. Yeah.
and
So
the
just now you mentioned Huobi got how many pairs?
62 pairs.
62 pairs. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, this is Huobi?
this I think this
Index.
is the child is a child of the hobby. Yeah, because they promote for the hobby coin, hobby BTC, and a
DX.
lot of hobby and HUSD. Yeah, HUSD. Yeah,
HUSD is the Huobi, right?
yeah, hobby USD. Yeah. Look like BUU
USD. Yeah. So what? How much is the price? Is not equals to USD, right?
11 is equal
One
to
to USD.
11 USD. Yeah, yeah,
Ah, okay. So how about
11.
their own currency instead of their own USD?
Their own currency is MDX.
Oh,
The MDX is a cost price about $4. Yeah,
yeah. So why they name MDX so funny?
because the chain is MDX. This exchange
All right.
MDX. It's based on a different
$4.
blockchain.
Ah.
$4. It's the lowest one. But
So
if you
good
want to
thing
buy
look at as well.
the coin, it's really hard for you. You need to go to the exchange, and then they don't list the exchange.
Need to go to their exchange to buy, right?
Yeah, that's right. Also, some of the Chinese exchange like Hobby Global,
Yeah.
Get.io, and XC. Yeah,
But it's okay. I mean, Binance is good enough. Don't
But
need to.
Binance they don't list the coin because
But you got to go go to Huobi's platform or rather the exchange
yeah
to buy. Do they pair with USDT or just be HUSD?
USDT also
USDT as
USD.
well. Yeah, so just have to go and sign up account with them, then you can trade right with them.
Yeah, that's right.
That thing.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. So I think it's enough for our discussion for our news today with our audience, and let's say goodbye to our audience on the channel. And later we will have a little discussion together um,
Yeah, yeah,
for
sure.
the next video clip for the next live stream, and see you our audience on
See
the
you all
next.
again.
Yeah, and okay, see you. Let me turn off the live stream. Where how to
You
no
forgot